Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're just going to do some stamping. I've popped down some Born Pretty colours already. So I've done 2 coats of the red BP SQ04. I've done 1 in white SQ05, and then I've used the Born Pretty jelly gel, the white gel. So first of all, I've pulled out these plates. I've already primed them with the acetone, so we're just going to go ahead and we're going to use some Magician and some normal Born Pretty stamping polishes. So we're going to go ahead and do this one first. So this one, I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to stamp it onto the red, white, sorry, nail. So you have to work quite quick with these because they are like a lacquer, like an air dry. And I'm just going to roll that on. So there you have the beautiful transfer there. Now I don't seem to have any excess, so I'm going to pop that straight on to my white nail. So it isn't going to fully cover, I don't think, so I just want to make sure that I've got that central on the nail for the red heart, and just roll it over. Oh, it's not too bad actually. So there's that one there. Okay, so I'm just going to pop that one down there for now. Now the next one I'm going to do is a white print on, so again using the Born Pretty white. I think I'm going to do, what should we do? I think we'll do these section of hearts here, the closed hearts I want to call them. So again, you go in with your gel, give it a good cover over. You're going to take that and you're going to scrape it over. That, and then you're just going to roll it on, and there you have your transfer again. I'm going to take this nail, I'm going to pop that on. Which way do I want it? I'm going to pop that onto the nail like that, give it a little bit of a press down, roll it over, and there you have some lovely little hearts on that one. Now this one I'm going to do a bit of a chrome hollow effect. So what I need to do first is give it a chrome top coat. I'm just going to move that one on here. Right, this one is going to have the chrome top coat, so I'm going to pop that on there now. Give it a quick blast in the light for 60 seconds. Okay, put that in. Now while that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and do this little nail here. Now I'm going to try and do a little bit of a rose pattern on that one. So this one here, in the red, I'm just going to bring that over. It's only a little nail I'm doing. I'm going to give it a, should have done it that way, give it a swipe. Roll over. So there you have some beautiful roses there. Now I think I should be okay with this one. So we're going to pop it on. Get them roses nice and central. I have touched the nail before I wanted to there, but I think we might be okay. And there we have, just go down the sides a little bit. there we have a lovely rose nail. Simple little designs there. So that one has been done. So what we're going to do on this nail is I'm going to give it a quick rub over with some of this chrome powder. So you just need a little bit. We're going to rub it all over that nail. We're going to try a little bit of reverse stamping with this one. So we're going to be using the Magician Born Pretty Magician. So what we're going to do is I'm going to give that a good rub over, getting all down. Now we're not going to top coat, we're not going to cure it, we're not going to do anything to that. I'm just going to pop it back on there. Now what we're going to do with this one is trying to use a different set of stamps just to show you. Right, we'll use this hatch print one here just to show you, see how this one shows up in the chrome. Just going to get that off ready. So this one here, so we're going to take the Born Pretty, I'll remove that because I am accident prone. Get the gel. Now you want a decent amount, and you don't need to work as fast as the other ones because they're not air, this isn't air dry. So you know what, I'm going to use, yeah, I think I will use that one. So you're going to give it a good coat over. Now I like that, kind of smush it in a little bit just to make sure it gets in all them little nooks and crannies. And then take your scraper. I'm going to scrape that away. Like I say, this isn't air dry, so you have got a little bit of time. Then you're going to roll your stamp over. Now it's picked up there now. I don't know how much of it you can see. I do have a little bit excess, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove that because I don't want that, the chrome, to stick to that excess area. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to put it onto that chrome nail. So I'll position it where I can. It's hard to see. Right, we'll go there. Roll it on. Now you're not really going to say anything at the moment. It is hard to tell whether I've got that straight or... So now that is going to go in the lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, so while that's in the lamp cooking, I'm going to move these out of the way. Give myself a little bit of space. Right. So now these are ready. Now I've decided I'm going to do a matte coat on these. So I'm going to give these ones a matte coat. Now I'm not doing anything else to these. I'm just going to float that over a little bit. I don't want to do it too hard because I don't want them to bleed. I think that jelly nail looks lovely. So pop them in the light. Get them ones cooked. Now this one, back to this one, what we're going to do is we're going to take some prep and wipe solution, gel cleanser, whatever you call it. And we're going to rub the nail. So now that it's been cured, we should be able to rub this nail, remove off the chrome where the Magician top coat hasn't imprinted, and it should leave us hopefully, yes, with a lovely reverse chrome nail. So you'll have the red underneath, and then we have that one there. So it's got like the hollow chrome effect on the nail. Now I think I will give that a, so I want to pop that on there, and you'll see the difference between the, so these have got the matte top coat on them now, and I think I'm just going to leave that shiny, and you can let us know in the comments whether you think I should do it matte or do a glossy top coat on that one. I think putting the matte on, you're going to lose the hollow. But there it is, just a little short quick stamp video. Please like and subscribe if you like my content, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.